Hello, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today we're going to be talking about the awesome 2023 CX-5 Premium Plus. This has been this year's hottest vehicle to date. Out of all the Mazdas that we have, and we have quite a few, this is the one that sells the most. It's been Mazda's flagship for quite a while now, about 6 or 7 years, meaning it has been the #1 seller. It's still going strong. People still love this mid-size SUV that really gets the job done. Over here, we have Ryan Legg. Now, Ryan's been with the company a little under a month. He's a brand new sales associate, but nonetheless, he is going to give us a presentation of all the hot features with Mazda. So please, give him a warm welcome. Ryan, how you doing today?
Good, I'm doing well.
Excellent, excellent. Beautiful day, right?
Yes, sir. Let me show you about the Mazda CX-5.
Please.
So here we have a 2023 Mazda CX-5 Premium Plus. This vehicle has excellent cargo space, as you can see here. The seats come in a 40-20-40 split that also conveniently lay completely flat using these levers here. And down here we have your full-size spare tire and your subwoofer to your 10-speaker Bose system. We have a power liftgate. And also on the power liftgate, you have a backup camera that comes equipped with rear cross traffic alert, meaning the computer can detect vehicles coming from your left or your right and will alert you in the cabin. We have proactive all-wheel drive, meaning the computer is running 211 calculations per second to detect slippage before slippage occurs, and will actually activate the all-wheel drive before you encounter the slippage. This vehicle seats 5. And back here we have your armrest that has 2 cup holders and also heated seats in the back. And if you lift this up here, we have 2 USB ports for your passengers. We also have a rear ventilation system to help keep them cool in the summer and warm in the winter. Now to the cabin. This seat comes equipped with 8-way power seating with lumbar support and also 2 memory settings. We have rain detecting windshield wipers and a power moonroof. We have heated and ventilated seats. And also we have a heated steering wheel. And this vehicle comes equipped with every current available safety feature: radar cruise control, lane departure assist, blind spot monitoring, and smart brake support. And last but not least, your vehicle comes with 3 years free of remote start. Using your phone, you can start the car using your phone anywhere.
That's awesome. That's awesome. It's a lot of hot features. These are the reasons why Mazda's listed as one of the safest and most fun vehicles on the road to date. Brian, we really appreciate you today. Thank you for explaining everything to us. And there's a bunch more stuff that's going on inside this vehicle that Ryan hasn't even touched yet. But you know what? Why don't you come on down to Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. You can speak with me, you can speak with Ryan, or one of our knowledgeable sales associates here. We'll get you taken care of, get you on a test drive, work out a phenomenal deal, and have you owning this brand new, beautiful vehicle today. So we'll look for you on the lot. You take care. Have a great day. Say goodbye, Ryan.